I find that's me.
Energy out of it, and energy in the form of biogas, basically, which is methane, which we are targeting. So this technology is it's a renewable technology where you can produce your own energy. Actually, that is the proof that it has got a lot of organic matter, fresh organic matter, ready to be decomposed. And in this, you can see we have a sieve that is used to separate out all the impurities, the unwanted matter. Supposing you have grass waste, you have stones, you have shoes, anything and everything which comes out, it gets separated out here. Secondly, this has a depth, this tank. So we separate out all the heavy particles like mud, like stones, which get settled down, and we get pure feed, which we collect from the center of this tank. It stays for about 1 or 2 days inside, and the hydros, and then methanogenesis. The last stage is methane formation. In the end, methanes are formed. That happens inside the digester because of the high fibrous content of the waste about and meeting people. This is among the plant which is almost reached viability among the first plant, and we have taken many measures to do that, from running the plant professionally. Will be a very important factor in coming times. Energy is always in demand, so this you are producing a gas which has got very good calorific value, methane. You can see we have a purification plant there. So the composition of the gas contains about, you can say, which, as I told you, it contains about 35 to 40% carbon dioxide. So we have to remove carbon dioxide and we have to remove sulfur. We have a fully automated SCADA controlled purification unit. So we require minimum labor, and it is very, it gives us very accurate results.
So that is our.
That's our feed coming in from the poultry farm.
Okay. So will you be feeding right now?
Yeah.
चलो उसका भी देख लेंगे.
It will be coming in liquid form. Plant is running. We are filling cylinders.
Why are there no flies on this?
See, this is the difference. Here you have an organic waste, which you called, and this is the treated product which you get out of it.
So this is the treated product that has come out of the digester.
The quality of this is, it has been transformed completely. It doesn't have flies around it. It doesn't have any smell. It is very good for the fields. If you apply it, you will get excellent results for farming, for any aspect. We have even developed a technology where we process this feed, this particular raw material, into a phosphatic fertilizer, replacing the chemical DAP which you have, making farming more viable and giving them a better land which they can leave for the next generation. And we are doing service of, you can say, service of earth on this with this project.
So you are serving nature.
Yeah, we are serving nature basically. It's a project in which everything is governed by nature. You can see this is an innovative machine. It's a solid liquid separator. This liquid slurry which we get, we pump it to this machine and it separates out the liquid we used right away. And the liquid which comes out, that we recirculate, that acts as an inoculum for us, giving us better hydrolysis and everything at a quicker rate because of the you can say microbial content inside that. So we recirculate the water. We do not use water from outside. So we have a zero discharge plant, you can say, and we are saving water at a great cost. That's a very big cost if you want to.
So the water that
of the methane or composition increases.
The more the bacteria, the better it is.
Better it is. We used right away, and the liquid which comes out, that we recirculate, that acts as an inoculum for us, giving us better hydrolysis and everything at a quicker rate because of the you can say microbial content inside that. So we recirculate the water. We do not use water from outside. So we have a zero discharge plant, you can say, and we are saving water at a great cost. That's a very big cost if you want to.
So the water that
the more gas we store in it, the more purified, the purity of the methane.
Hi, this is our farm, and this is where we have installed a new biogas farm, a plant, and this is all done. Flies on the inlet feed, and behind that you can just see where I'm zooming right now. That's our feeder area, just behind that drum, and where we are standing right now on the platform, this is where we collect our biogas.
This is the digester.
This is the big digester that you see. This is a land acquired by us long time back. Now as we go forward, I'll give you more updates. इधर भी है जैसे वो
It is mixing and sending it.
It is already mixing and sending it. इसका एक ऊपर से लेता हूँ मैं फटाफट. You can see how it is pumping.
So this is what the plant does. It has the gas moves through these chambers and it gets purified. It has got a lot of carbon dioxide. Vapor pressure swing absorption.
Vessel here, and then further is the bottling. What you can see, that is an private affair, or you can say our trade secret. As you can see, this is what Abhishek has done. He's installed this gas plant, and now we are maintaining this. This was done by the help of some people who had come before, and now this is our dock and filling station, a small one which we have prepared manually. You can see this. This is how we fill it. This is how we have been doing it. I hope we can take it to venture capitalists and investors in future. And what you can see, that was kept there. Right behind on that side. So that is what is separated, and you can see on top it separates the liquid. The liquid is the concentrate that we have been using, and for the last I think 3 months we have not used water at all. We have been using the same liquid that is coming out of the digester, which is also helping us in process the organic waste better, efficiently. Most of the products that you see have been imported from abroad and installed here. That what you can see there in packets is organic waste, which is ready to ship as soon as our tempo comes in.